Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Learn how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. It's a very easy and straightforward process, and we are going to do that. So here, just do a right click in the star icon. And then click on Run, and a new window will appear like this, and you can also check which Wi-Fi connection you have connected. So you just need to click on the Wi-Fi icon and see on which connection, so you can see the name where you have connected. And now here in the Run window, this type NCPA Corporal like this. Once you have typed it, click on OK. A new window will appear which says Network Connections, and here you will find your adapters. So since I'm using the Wi-Fi, I'll select the Wi-Fi, so you can also select your Wi-Fi, and if you're connected through Ethernet then you won't be able to find it. So make sure you're connected through Wi-Fi. And then just do a right click on that and then go to Status. So I'll click on that status, and here you will find the connection, the speed, and Here you will find the wireless properties, and I will click on that. And you can see the name which we have just matched, and you can see the SSID. And here we have this security tab, we need to go there, and from here you will find under the network security key you will find your password. So you just need to click on Show Characters, and you will be able to find your password right here. Alright, so this is how you can know your Wi-Fi password. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.